We often label every event in our lives as either good or bad. However, we cannot predict how a small incident might lead to a massive change in the future. This is an interesting story from the life of a farmer filled with unexpected losses and sudden gains. Let's look at the lesson time teaches us through the eyes of this farmer. In a small village at the lush green foothills of India, there lived a poor farmer with his wife and son. He owned an old ox, a few cows, and a dog. But the family's most beloved possession was a beautiful, strong horse. The farmer was a man of unshakable character. Whether something good or bad happened, he would only say one thing: "Who knows what is good and what is bad? Time will tell. Everything happens for a reason. Be patient and be grateful." One day, their precious horse escaped from the stable and ran away. The villagers rushed to him and lamented, "What a misfortune! You have suffered such a great loss." But the farmer calmly replied, "Whether this is a loss or not, only time will tell." A week later, the missing horse returned on its own. When it came back, it brought 5 wild horses along with it. Now, the farmer had 6 horses in total. The people exclaimed, "You are so lucky." To this, the farmer said, "Let's not celebrate just yet. Let's wait and see." While trying to tame those wild horses, the farmer's son fell and broke his leg. The villagers cursed, "These horses have brought a curse upon you." Even then, the farmer did not panic. He remained calm, saying that time would provide the answer. A few weeks later, war broke out in the country. The king's soldiers came to the village and forcibly took all the healthy young men to war. However, since the farmer's son had a broken leg, they left him behind. Many of the young men who went to war never returned. Life is like a river. We never know when or where it will turn. The closing of one door can be the opening of another, much larger one. Do not judge anything immediately based on current circumstances. Remain balanced without pride during good times and without despair during bad times. The most important lesson this farmer teaches us is, let time give the verdict. Perform your duties with peace. If we have deep-rooted faith that everything happens for a reason and possess the mental fortitude to stay calm in any situation, we can navigate every turn of life with a smile. If you like this story, please make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.